Cooling is a fundamental part of our everyday lives. When you go grocery shopping, a huge portion of the food you buy is refrigerated or frozen. Going shopping, eating out at a restaurant, staying at a hotel, or working in your office, all of these buildings have air conditioning running at least for part of the year. If you live in a hotter climate, you probably even have air conditioning in your home to make the summer heat bearable. Even watching this video or talking on the phone, you are dependent on cooling since all of our modern communication runs through data centers that need constant air conditioning just to function. And those are just the parts of cooling that we have direct contact with. What about all the cooling used in manufacturing our plastics, our medicine, our stuff? All of that cooling we use every day comes from electricity, a lot of electricity. In an average building, 64% of electricity is used by a whole bunch of different stuff, like lighting, heating, ventilation, and appliances. All by itself, cooling, for air conditioning and refrigeration systems, uses up a whole 36%. Electricity is a foundation of today's world. We are dependent on it for cooling and other modern necessities. Yet this dependency is starting to hurt. Prices are rising, in some areas 5 times faster than wages. Our overburdened electrical grids can fail, sometimes spectacularly, as whole cities go dark. Fossil fuel electricity generation poses health, environment, and economic risks due to air pollution, associated climate change, and an inevitable end of supply. Renewable energy is making progress, but in most areas it is not expected to match our huge demand for electricity anytime soon. Energy efficiency must be the first step in our energy evolution. We have the technology to make smarter use of our energy, and it's time we start using it. We said before that an average building has 36% of its energy used by cooling. The other 64% is used by a bunch of different systems, like lighting and appliances. To save energy on all of those different systems requires a lot of different changes, and that can really add up. Saving energy on cooling can be done with just one change. Smartcool ECO3 is the missing link between your thermostat and your air conditioning, refrigeration, or heat pump system, saving an average 15% kilowatt hours and giving you a payback in 12 to 36 months, or just 1 to 3 years. You get the same temperature control using less energy and spending less money. Smartcool ECO3 is available worldwide. It is compatible with any air conditioning, refrigeration, or heat pump system with 1 or 2 compressors or stages. It works with any kind of thermostat or controller. The ECO3 will save energy even on brand new equipment and the most modern controls. It protects compressors from short cycling. It can be easily manually bypassed in case of emergency. And you can check your energy savings right on the screen.